Hello friends, welcome back to the channel 59 Code, and in today's video there is an exciting news about BlackBox AI, that is DeepSeek R1 model and DeepSeek version 3 model are now available in BlackBox AI. So we are going to discuss about that features that AI models on BlackBox AI platform. So let's start. To access that feature, firstly you have to go on blackbox.ai. This is official website of BlackBox. Now you can see here guys, this is DeepSeek version 3 and DeepSeek R1. There are a lot of features that added here after my previous video uploaded, right? So we will explain in another video on that, but in this video we will focus on DeepSeek R1 model and DeepSeek version 3 model. So if you want to use it, then simply click on it and write your prompt like who are you? I am an AI language model created by OpenAI called ChatGPT. Okay, one more thing that I want to ask: who create DeepSeek? Let's try to find answer of this question. Yeah, who created DeepSeek? DeepSeek was created by Lang Wenfeng. This is the detail of that person. These all answer comes from DeepSeek version 3 model. And if you want to use R1 model, then simply you have to go on new chat, and here you can click DeepSeek R1, like write Python code for access window 10, right? This is my question, and here you can say it will start giving response. Now here you can see a complete Python code to access operating system is here. With the help of this code you can access all information about your operating system, and here it will also give us a key feature included. What exactly inside the code, these all things explain here, right? This is the feature that we will explain here. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video.
कोड करना सीखो YouTube पे देखो 59 कोड सोनू सागर के चैनल पे। हर लैंग्वेज हर कॉन्सेप्ट हम सिखाते हैं, कोडिंग के फंडे आसान तरीकों से समझाते हैं। सब डिजाइन कर सकते हो, बस थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए। 59 कोड हम सबको सिखाते हैं, हर तरह के कोडिंग हर एक कोड को समझाते हैं। सोनू सागर सबका गुरु बन गए, कोडिंग सीखना है उसका नाम।